So welcome to this lesson in which we're going to be doing a basic software overview of HeyGen. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what HeyGen looks like inside and all of the different opportunities that you can leverage again with AI. I'm super excited again to have you here, and you will have your mind completely blown with all of these different features. So enough of this introduction. Let me show you exactly how HeyGen looks like, and let's go through this overview lesson. So this right here is the homepage of HeyGen. And you can see that on the left side of the screen, we have all of these different creation options. And in the right side of the screen is where we're going to be actually be producing our content. Now, I know that it sounds and it looks a bit complicated, but it really isn't. What I want you to understand is that we have 4 different categories here, right? The avatar category, the video agent category, the translate category, and the tools category. And whenever we click on every single one of these categories, some subcategories open. So the subcategories are seen here. For example, currently we are in the avatar category, which is absolutely insane and mind-blowing, and I'm going to show you in just a second. And we have opened the subcategories of the avatar category, which are different avatars that we have, any templates that we can leverage, the photo to video agent, the script to video agent, the PPT to PDF video, and again, an interactive video. So right here, for example, in the avatar section, we are in the home of the avatar section, in which we have already created our avatar, right? And you can just describe a video that you have, and you can go ahead and create it with your avatar. So this again is the prompting section. And of course, you can also completely remove your avatar, which will guide us to the video agent, right? I'm going to show you in just a second. And you can start again by inputting more stuff. So you can, for example, right, add more media or add a knowledge base, a PDF, for example, to be accompanied to your avatar. You can use your voice to prompt, right? Or you can have some prompting ideas. You can tweak, right, the length of your video that you're going to be creating, or the aspect ratio, or again, if you want to auto-generate your video. But again, I will not be using this prompting section right here because I'm going to show you how to actually generate correctly videos. And we do this inside of the subsection. So before I actually show you how to produce a video, let's actually go ahead and analyze the different subcategories of the avatar section of HeyGen. So we go to avatars, and as you can see here, I have actually went ahead and created my own avatar, which I'm going to show you how to do in the next lesson of this course. And by the way, this is just, of course, like this is like not me, this is my avatar. And I have like created new looks for my avatar, which I'm going to show you how to do in the next lesson of this course. This is not a lesson in which we're going to be diving into the avatar creation because it's a bit more sophisticated. I'm keeping this for the next lesson. What I want to show you is that after I've scanned my biometric data, right, HeyGen created my avatar. And by the way, I have just scanned one simple video of mine. And as you can imagine, the more content you give to HeyGen and the more, let's say, facial expressions of yours this AI avatar creation software analyzes, the more realistic your avatar will be. But this is what it created. And check this out.
Hey, Lambros Lazopoulos. Your digital twin is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy. Hola, Lambros Lazopoulos. Tu digital twin está listo. Intenta crear videos con él. Además, haz clic en el botón de comentar.
How crazy is this? So, of course, I've never said this, right? This is all created. The lip sync is created with AI. The voice is created with AI. I just inputted a screenshot of mine, and it produced this video just like that. And of course, you can edit your look, or you can use this directly to your video, which I'm going to show you in a second. So if you can see in the avatar section, I have only created this avatar, and my current avatar has only 2 looks, this look and this look. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to produce new looks and stuff. But what I want to actually demonstrate in this session right here is the fact that there are other public avatars you can leverage from other people, right? So let's say, for example, you just don't want to use yourself in your video, right? And you want to use another avatar. You can use this guy, Conrad, right? And Conrad has 4 looks. Just like I have 2 looks, for example, that I just showed you. This avatar has 4 looks. So look 1, in which he's just seated on a sofa. Look 2, where he's like standing. Look 3, which is like a close-up shot of this avatar. And look 4. And you can prompt this avatar to create as much content and whatever content you like. So for example, if you're creating a finance type of YouTube channel, right? This guy looks like someone who's sophisticated in finance, you can leverage this avatar. So let's click on him, for example. Check this out.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
How crazy is this? So you type your script and this avatar will start like saying your script. It's insane. And we have so many different avatars for you to choose. This avatar looks like a content creator, for example. Let's check it out. And he has so many different looks. He has 15 different looks. So look at this, for example. Let's say that you have a
Welcome.
since you have a content creation channel in which you teach content creation, right, on YouTube. You can use this avatar with this content creation background. Check this out.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
How crazy is this? Is your mind like completely blown? It's insane. Like it's literally insane. Look at this. This is Kier avatar and it looks so realistic, right? This blonde girl, it looks so realistic and we have so many different options, right, to choose from. Look at this. She's snowboarding, for example, here. Let's use this look. Check this out.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
This is absolutely insane. Like this is, for example, a relatable teenage-like type of avatar. Look at this.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
So many different looks, so many different avatars. And of course, you can borrow any of these avatars or you can go ahead and clone yourself. And there's so many, look at this, doctors, if you're creating healthcare type of content, like young models, you have corporate like models. This model, for example, here, Gala, has been going viral multiple different times on TikTok and on short form content. It's actually one of the most famous avatars that you can use. And it has been going viral. People have been creating content with her because she looks just sophisticated. And it has been going viral multiple different times, which is like absolutely insane. And as AI is getting better and better and better, people will not be able to tell the difference. And these avatars will be able to literally genuinely influence people. Look at this. This guy, for example, looks like a speaker, right? Look at this. How crazy is this?
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen.
Anyways, I don't want to bore you with all of the different avatars. It just feels absolutely awesome to have all of this creative opportunity and again, have your mind and your creativity as the only bottleneck in the content creation, let's say, space, right? And again, we're going to be diving into the avatars in the next section of this course, in the next lesson, because we have so many different things to analyze here. And I'm actually going to show you how to create your avatar and how to analyze your biometric data to clone yourself. But look, we also have different templates. So for example, in the avatar section, let's say that you don't want to choose any of these different public avatars, or you want to choose one of these avatars, but for a reason, right? Let's say that you want to create an ad agency type of content, right? Or an engineering type of content with a different background and a different avatar. We have all of these different templates that you can use. If you want to have a news broadcasting type of video created, right? Or a step-by-step tutorial or an e-commerce video created. We have all of these templates that you can use. For example, explainer video templates, right? All of these right here, which you can prompt and you can change with different prompting, or social media video templates or advertisement video templates. Right, so those are all of the different video templates that you can use, which are already created by HeyGen. And of course, HeyGen analyzes historic data throughout, of course, the internet and the history of content creation to produce the best templates for, again, each purpose, right? So you have intent below and behind your content. Now, we also have a photo to video creation with your avatar. So you can upload a photo here and add a script and literally turn this photo into a video. This is something that we analyzed in the previous lesson of this course. The fact that you can, again, upload a single photo and have this photo be done on a video. So you click on this photo, for example, which is this guy, and you start typing your script. And I'm going to show you like advanced scripting. You choose the voice, right? You can choose it from here. You have so many different voices. This is my cloned voice, for example, from my avatar. But you have so many different types of voices that you can choose from the HeyGen library. For example, this voice here.
Hope you like it.
This voice.
Hey there, here's how I sound.
Because again, this is an image that we're turning into a video, right? So you can choose all of these different voices.
Hey there, here's how I sound.
and you can turn these photos into videos, which we're going to be doing again in the next lesson of this course. This is just a general overview of the software. You can turn script into video by choosing, of course, an avatar. So let's say that you can choose like different avatars. We choose this guy right here, right? Which is Armando, and we add a script. We type our script here, right? And we create our avatar, right? We literally turn script into an avatar video. And of course, you can also choose like ourselves, our clone avatar with all of our different types of looks. You can turn PDFs into videos. So again, you can drag and drop a huge complete PDF and turn this into a podcast, for example, or some sort of video presentation. And you can also have interactive video, but this is, again, more sophisticated. It requires more AI power, and it's not like included in the free version of HeyGen, which is completely fine. Now, again, in all of this lesson right here, throughout this whole lesson, we just went through the most superficial layer of the avatar section. But there are actually so many other things that you can do with HeyGen. Like, for example, the video agent, right? In which we're going to be analyzing again in the next lesson. So in the next lesson of this course, we're going through the basic features of the video agent. And once we go through the basic features of all of these different agents inside of HeyGen, it is time to actually start producing our content. So how crazy and how mind-blowing is this process? Like, I literally have my mind blown every single time that I operate with these AI tools. And again, the possibilities here are completely limitless. The only bottleneck is your imagination. So I'm super happy to have you here. I'm actually honored to be the one who introduces you to this whole AI content creation, again, walkthrough right here. And I'm going to see you in the next lesson, which we're going to be discussing about the video features inside of HeyGen.